Welcome back. And if you're tired of opening your mouth and immediately everyone knowing that you are Indian or have Indian accent, this video is going to change your life. Today, I'm revealing one single trick that if you do it properly every single day can make you sound noticeably more American in just 3 weeks. Not perfect, but way better, right? No boring grammar today, no random word list, just one powerful method. So stick till the end because I'm also going to give you the exact 3 week daily plan. So let's dive in without any further ado. Most of us focus on individual sounds, say water, then have a soft T sounds water. That helps a little, but you still sound robotic. Americans don't speak word by word. They speak in a flowing rhythm. They connect words, reduce sounds, change intonation, and use a lazy, musical way of talking. The trick that actually works is shadowing. So, what is shadowing? Shadowing means you listen to a native American speaker and repeat exactly what they say at the same time. Same speed, same tone, same rhythm, same attitude. You copy everything. How do you link words? Example, what are you doing? Or what are you? What are you? Right? How do you reduce sounds? Going to becomes gonna. Their intonation, the up and down like wave, even their attitude and pauses. This trains your mouth, tongue, brain, and ears all at once. It's the closest thing to living in America without buying a plane ticket. Why this works? Because you are not learning rules. You are imitating like a baby learns a language. In 3 weeks of daily shadowing, right, 15 to 20 minutes daily, your muscle memory starts changing. Your accent becomes smoother and more natural. I've seen learners, people go from heavy Indian accent to sounding like they studied in US after consistent shadowing. How to shadow properly? That's one question always pops up. So step by step here. Here's exactly what you're going to do. Choose the right material. Start with short, clear clips, TED Talks, podcast like the Joe Rogan, experience clips, Netflix shows, right? Everything to do with American English. So for beginners, podcast is the first one. First, listen to without speaking. Listen to the video without speaking and then understand the meaning. Shadow aggressively. Play the audio, repeat at the same time as the speaker. Don't stop even if you mess up, right? Keep going, record yourself doing it, compare and listen to the original recording. Then listen to your recording and compare it. Notice the differences in the rhythm and pronunciation. Focus areas while shadowing would be your flap T, like better becomes better. Soft does sound. Rhotic R, pronunciation of every R, so like car, hard. Word linking, what do you want? What do you want, right? What do you want? Contractions, going to becomes gonna, want to becomes wanna, and intonation. Americans go up and down more than we do. So focus only on copying rhythm. Week two, 15 minutes daily. Add faster content. Record and compare every day. Week three, make it 20 minutes. Now mix difficult material here and speak without the audio for 2 minutes after shadowing. The best tip out here is do it first thing in the morning before your brain gets tired, right? To speed up the results, stand up while you're shadowing. Your posture affects the voice. Exaggerate at first, then make it sound natural. Combined with five word roast videos that we have done earlier. Track progress. Record yourself on day one and day 21, saying the same paragraph. And you actually do this trick for 21 days straight. right? Then go ahead and comment in the section that you're shadowing. And when you listen to the first day recording and 21st day recording, you're going to see a lot of difference. So drop a like if you're starting today, subscribe and hit the bell icon. We are dropping more practical accent hacks every week. So share this with one friend who needs better spoken English. I'll see you in the next one and keep grinding, stay consistent, and I'll see you sounding more American soon. So peace.